coming back to Singapore, just in the central region of Singapore, nearby Jalan Bukit Merah bus stop on Alexandra Road, nearby IKEA, just close to Alexandra Central, I discovered a wonderful place to taste amazing Northern Thailand cuisine. But before, if you didn't until now, please subscribe down below. My channel, it's about life, about 21st century international nomad lifestyle. Join me, and we'll have great experiences to enrich our knowledge. We'll explore traditions and habits in different corners of the world, and we'll find best places where to feel alive. On the list of the world's 50 best food, a top done by CNN Travel, there are 7 Thai dishes. Thailand having more dishes on the list than any other country. A part of them, and even more, you can find at 𝐒𝐔𝐁𝐄𝐑 Cafe on Alexandra Road. The Thai cuisine at 𝐒𝐔𝐁𝐄𝐑 Cafe is mainly specific to Northern Thailand. The north part of Thailand borders Myanmar and Laos. It is a wonderful natural place known for its forested mountains, abundant flora and fauna, and is home to some of the most beautiful natural wonders of Thailand. North of Thailand have also many different cultural influences since ancient times, and what is most specific to the region is the unique palette of taste, and the love for food is just unmatched.
Hello.
Thai cuisine emphasizes on lightly prepared dishes with strong aromatic components and spicy flavors.
I'm here in Singapore. My friend from Singapore just recommended a very nice Thai restaurant.
The Northern Thai cuisine is the cuisine of cooler valleys and forested mountains, once ruled by the former Lama kingdom, and having influences from Myanmar, Laos and Khmer cuisine from Cambodia, but also Yunnan province of China.
Is it good?
All these cultural influences makes it a really unique choice, an interesting cuisine to consume, but also delicious taste to enjoy. Northern Thai cuisine differs significantly from that of other regions of Thailand. While South Thai cuisine is so generous in using chili, being very spicy, the North Thai cuisine is a bit less spicy. One of the most famous dishes in the North Thai cuisine is khao soi, a perfumed texture-rich curry soup with boiled and crunchy fried noodles, pickled vegetables and tender beef or chicken. I leave you some more details in the description, and I recommend you to try it on Alexandra Road at 𝐒𝐿𝐵 Cafe. Thank you for watching. I hope to inspire you. If you enjoy my video, please give a like, share with others, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below and I will reply to you.
Okay, thank you.